One of the richest families in America owes their entire fortune to Hot Pockets. Inventing Hot Pockets made the Meirage family one of the richest in America. The mark of a fun Friday night in high school often involved microwaving a tray of Hot Pockets and suffering a scorched mouth. While researching Newport Coast's wealthiest residents, I discovered Josie Wen, who made his fortune from Sakura Paper Incorporated, a company specializing in high-end party invitations. This led me to learn about Paul Meirage's equally impressive wealth. Paul Meirage previously held the record for the largest home in Orange County with a 45,000 square foot mansion. Paul's fortune came from inventing Hot Pockets, a simple idea that turned into a billion-dollar success. Paul Meirage was born in Tehran, Iran, in 1943. After moving to the US in the 1960s, Paul studied economics and earned an MBA from UC Berkeley, eventually landing a job at General Foods. In 1968, Paul's younger brother David joined him in California, where he graduated in marketing. Their parents later moved to California, and David began investing in real estate with their father. Inspired by Belgian waffles during a European vacation, the brothers co-founded Chef America Incorporated in 1974 and marketed frozen Belgian waffles, which quickly became popular in the US, generating $12 million in sales by 1977. By the early 1980s, Paul recognized the growing popularity of microwaves and decided to create a snack that kids could easily prepare themselves. This led to the invention of Hot Pockets in 1983. Hot Pockets took a few years to gain traction, but by 1985, they were stocked on supermarket shelves nationwide. The product line eventually expanded to include various flavors and variations. In 2002, Chef America generated $750 million in revenue, and the brothers sold the company to Nestle for $2.6 billion. Afterward, Paul launched the MIG Group, an investment firm managing over $1 billion in assets. David founded the CIG Group, which also invests in commercial real estate and private equity. The CIG Group manages over $2 billion in assets, making the Meirage family worth over $5 billion. The Meirage brothers are also known for their philanthropy, supporting various family-led foundations. Paul donated $30 million to UC Irvine School of Business, which was renamed in his honor. However, the family faced controversy when Paul's daughter Michelle was involved in the college admissions scandal. She pleaded guilty to paying $300,000 to get her daughters into USC and was sentenced to 5 months in prison. All that from Hot Pockets.